Alright, everybody. Now, thing is this. You see section 1, specific objective 3 at the CSEC maths, the CSEC mathematics syllabus. It say if you know about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of whole numbers, fraction and decimal, right? We're going to leave out the fraction and the decimal part till later, because when you add the fraction, well, you have a certain method to it you're going to look upon. But when you add the decimal and subtract decimal, multiply decimal, that's the same principle as when you add whole numbers. We're going to deal with subtraction and division and multiplication of whole numbers later on too. But right now, what we're going to do is really review addition of whole numbers. Because the thing is, I expect say you don't know about addition of whole numbers already. Right? Well, by the time you reach grade 10, 11, you don't know about them things already. Long time. But anyway, so I go on so. Simple example. If you have 4 something, whatever it is, it can be 4 biscuit, and then you say you want 3 more biscuit, you take out 3 more biscuit. How much biscuit you have? Well, simply you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 biscuit, right? So you basically have 4 biscuit plus 3 biscuit, that gives you 7 biscuit. Simple example when you add. But what we want to do is add bigger numbers. You see? So we want to review the algorithm how you deal with addition of big numbers. Algorithm, that mean the steps where you follow, right? Now, let me look upon an example. Suppose you say 7,436 plus, and then you say 678. Alright, 678. You add them 2 numbers here. We look on the algorithm first. 8 and 6. You say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 and 6 are 14. Put on 14 as well. The algorithm say you put on 4 and you carry the 1 over here. So you say 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11. 11. You bring down this 1 here so and carry the other 1 over here. So 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11. You have 11 again. Bring down this 1, carry this 1 over here. So 7 and 1, 8. Alright? So you basically have 8,114. Now, that's the algorithm. Now, we want to see the principle behind it. You see the 7,436? Or the 7,000, you know. Let me write it different. So, it's like say, let me write it on there. So, it's like say you have a table, right? You have this table. And what you have is 7, let me write here, so 7,000 plus you have 400 and you have 30 and you have 6, you see, we have to go extend the table, make the table longer. So let me do that. So let me extend them things are down further. So. Then the other number where you add 678. So basically you have 678. Alright? Now remember these are column, and the column them, right? I mean, so you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yeah, the 1,000 column, the 100 column, the 10 column, the 1 column, right? We just want to understand certain things to a certain levels. And it's good when you understand it to a level still, because you understanding is not like swatting, so you know, figure it. And plus, if you're going to study any STEM area, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, you will have to know and understand the maths more than other people, right? So, we're going to have to do now. When you add and say 6 and 4, no, 6 and 8 are 14, carry, bring down 4, carry 1. What you really have to say is the 8 and 6, right, so, are 14. So what you do is you put down the 4, you know, say 14, a 4 1 and 1 10. So you put down 4 down here, so you know the 1's column, and the 1 is really 10. So you even though I say 1, I really 10 plus 4 this, you know. So it is really 10. So you put 10, 1 0. But you just put the 1 in the 10's column, because it's really 10 you have. You see? And then when you come here so now and say 1 plus 3 plus 7 is really 10 plus 30 plus 70 here, so you know. Right? So 70 and 30, that's 100, plus 10, that's 110. So what you get next are really 110. So it's like you put on 0 in the 1's column, then the 1 in the 10's column, because it's really 10, and then 1 0 0. This one are really 100. So you put it over here, so when you say 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11, it's really 110. So when you cross out the one and put it there, so really this one you look on. And then this other one you carry and put it over the 4. Right? It's really this one, yes, so because it's really 100, 110, so it's 100, so you put the 1 in the hundreds column, because what you really have is 1 0 0. I'm not going to write the 0 then, but it's 100. That is what happened here. And then they say 600 plus 400, that's 1,000 plus 1, that's 1,100. You say 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11. But it's really 600 plus 400 plus 100. You cross out the one and put it down and carry the other one over. When you do that, right, it's really 1,100 you really have. So you say 100. So the 100, this one, when you say cross out the one and put it down here, so you put it down here so because it's 100, so you put in the hundreds column. Now I'm going to write this 0 0. If you do it, you'll put this 0 here, so this 0 here so, and this one here so. Right, but I don't really want to crowd the screen with too much things. Now, up here so when you say you carry this one over the 7 and say 7 and 1, 8. What you really do is say this so 1 represent 1,000. Since a 1,000, you put it here so you say 1,000. You see? So you put the 1 over the 7 because this 1,000 and 7,000 you're going to add. 7,000 and 1,000 give you 8,000. So you write the 8 down here so. So really 8,000. You see? So that is basically what happened. When you add the big numbers, it's good if you understand what really are going on so in terms of them numbers here, right? That is what you get. But the thing is, the algorithm, once you practice enough, you know the algorithm. Even though you know the algorithm, you must know what going on behind the scenes. They say 8 and 6, 14, bring down the 4, carry 1. 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11, bring down this 1, carry the 1 to the left over to the 4. 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11. So you bring down this one here so, put it here so. This one you carried over the 7 is really 1,000 and 7,000, as you say a while ago. So 7 and 1, 8. So you put the 8 here so. You see? So 8,114. Just like how this show you say 8,114. Alright, so we're going to look on subtraction next time.